हेलो यूनिवर्स, कैसे आप सब लोग। आशा करता हूँ आप सब लोग बहुत अच्छे होंगे। सो इन द लास्ट लेक्चर नंबर 17 वी हैव सॉल्व टू प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ NCERT क्लास 12 exercise 11.2 3-dimensional geometry chapter. So again in today's lecture number 18, we are going to solve another problem of the same exercise, problem number 15. So without wasting any time, let's go to the blackboard. So the problem is find the shortest distance between the lines this and this. First, here observe that in the last lecture number 17, we have solved similar type of problem, that is find the shortest distance between two lines. But in that lecture number 17, problem number 14, the equations of lines are given in vector form. But here the equations of lines are given in which form? Cartesian form. So let's start the solution. So first we have to check are the two lines are parallel or not. Here see these terms, x plus 1 by 7, y plus 1 by minus 6, 1, 7, 6 minus 1, and here 1 minus 2, 1. So these are nothing but the direction ratios of the lines parallel to the respective lines given here. Say equation 1, say equation 2. I am telling this using the theory of the equation of line passing through a given point and parallel to a given vector. Have you understood? Have you remembered the problem theory? We have discussed this in earlier lectures. So my humble request to you, if you directly come to this lecture number 18, please go through previous lectures, because mathematics is a stepwise process, sequential process. If you need to understand all the concepts very easily, then you have to go from the basics. If your basics are strong, then you can master any subject, not only mathematics, any subject. So first go through all the previous lectures, then come to this lecture. Especially listen to the lecture 11 clearly. I have used some models there to illustrate what are the skew lines, the lines in three-dimensional space which are neither parallel nor intersecting. So then come to this lecture, then you can understand all the things very easily. So here comparing equation of lines 1 and 2 with the standard form of equation x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b equal to z minus z1 by c, we get x1, y1, z1. x1, y1, z1 equal to what? Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. x2, y2, z2 equal to what? 3, 5, 7. Also b1 vector, direction ratio of b1 vector and b2 vector, that is a1, b1, c1 equal to what? From the equation of line 1 we get it 7 minus 6 1. Similarly a2 from equation 2, a2, b2, c2, they are nothing but the direction ratio of a line which is parallel to the equation of line number 2. You just go through previous lectures, you can understand everything what I am saying right now. So here 1 minus 2, 1. Now we are going to use the formula what we have discussed in lecture number 11. So go to the next page. So shortest distance, therefore shortest distance between the two lines 1 and 2. In Cartesian form we are writing the formula x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, Z2 minus Z1 by A1, not by A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2 by, here we have to write B1 vector cross B2 vector magnitude. So I cap, J cap, K cap. Here we are using the concept of cross product of vector chapter, previous page. What is A1 B1 C1? 7 minus 6. Okay, first we write the formula. A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2. As it is a distance, so take magnitude to make the whole thing positive. So we just simply put the values. So here, what is x2 minus x1? See previous page. x2 is 3, x1 is minus 1. So 3 minus or minus 1, so equal to 4. Very simple. y2 minus y1, take the determinant sign. y2 minus y1, 5 minus or minus 1, 6. This one 8. 6, 8. What is A1 B1 C1? A1 B1 C1, 7 minus 6, 1. 7 minus 6, 1. Minus 6, 1. And what is A2 B2 C2? A2 B2 C2, 1 minus 2, 1. 1 minus 2, 1. Good. Now I, J, K cap. We have A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2 in front of us. So just simply put them. 1 minus 2, 1. Take the determinant and take modulus sign. So now we just simply derive the value of the determinant. 4 into minus 6 plus 2 minus 6 into 7 minus 1 plus 8 into minus 14 plus 6 magnitude by I cap. The similar thing, minus 6 plus 2, so minus 4 minus J cap. Same thing will come, 7 minus 1, so 6 plus J cap minus 14 plus 6 will come, so minus 8. Have you understood this? If you have any problem, put your comment in the comment section below. I will again explain this to you if some problem happens. But if you see the previous lectures, I can give you guarantee that you will be left with 0 doubts. So now just simplify this. So minus 4, 6 plus 2, so it is, choose another ink, say white. Minus 6 plus 2, so minus 4 minus 16. 7 minus 1, 6 minus 36. Minus 14 plus 6 means minus 8. Minus 8 here, so minus 64 by minus 4 I cap minus 6 J cap minus 8 K cap. Here I have done one mistake. It should be K cap. So beware in the examination hall. You may do some similar type of silly mistakes. Instead of J, you can instead of K, you can write J. So okay. So go to the next page. Take this magnitude sign and take whole magnitude. Okay, take this whole magnitude. Okay, now we just simply go to the next page. What are the values? Yes, page 64, 36, 16. So 60, 30, 90, 100, 16. 116. 116 by square root of, see previous page, same thing, 16 plus 36 plus 64. So again 116. So equal to, if we break down 116, 2 5s are 10, 58, 2 2s are 4, 19. So 116 by 2. Okay, first we write this here, eraser here. So here 116 by root over 116, so root over 116 equal to 2 root over 29 unit. So we have done answer. So this is the shortest distance between the two lines. This question. So we are done. Hope you have enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching.